Can you hear that?
Hey, I'm Ben. This is Diana. We're at the Crying Wolf, and we're gonna meet with Chef Beca Lew, who's kind of been redesigning the menu to have more vegan options. She has a chicken and waffles that use our wing meat.
So good.
Yeah, and we're gonna eat it. We're gonna drink a White Claw, and we're gonna kind of show you around.
What we decided to do was to do a vegan forward menu and then switch it up so that instead of asking for a vegan burger, that someone has to actually ask for the meat version.
Yeah, remember when I first came in to get chicken and waffles, I saw that and I was like, that is so f***ing smart. It's so innovative. I loved it. We're gonna talk about the chicken and waffles today, which uses our wing meat, which we sell. So we start with a waffle, right?
Yeah, start with a waffle. So we make all of our waffle batter in-house. It's really sweet. It's vanilla-y. Put that right in the middle.
Oh my gosh, cute. You gotta get another waffle maker.
Drop it. I need like 4 more waffle makers. Once the waffle is in the waffle maker, then come over here to bread the seitan. Our chicken seitan is got a beer batter, which is super tight because it adds lots of like bubbles and cool stuff. So it goes from this, which is cultured soy milk, and then goes into the dry to coat it and get it nice and coated, and then put it in here. This is wet.
So this is flour with like a bunch of herbs or spices in it.
Spices,
Paprika,
a little bit of cayenne.
Oh, nice.
Food should taste good regardless of what's in it. And making sure that our menu is inclusive and that everybody can sit at the table and eat. So you can come with all of your friends. It doesn't matter what their dietary restrictions are. People can all eat together and enjoy food together and no one feels left out.
That's so awesome.
That's been really cool, and I've been really glad that they've given me that freedom to make that happen here.
Yummy.
All right, should we check on our waffle?
Hell yeah.
It's not done yet.
So usually I just like give it a shake, pull it up. You want it to be golden brown, like that's the goal. And you can see underneath the batter, see how it's still bubbling? It probably needs just a little bit more time because that wet batter is still cooking. I guess I have like no feeling in my fingers anymore, so I usually just grab it.
So she buttering it up.
Yeah, butter.
Great.
And then these go in here. And this goes in here.
Yeah.
And it's done.
What do you want to talk about?
The very first thing I got here when the new menu was announced was this chicken and waffles. So what I was talking to Becca about a second ago.
What were you talking to Becca about?
Was just how sick sweet and salty is. And how.
It's everything.
And this is also, not only is it sweet and salty, it's crunchy and soft. Not only do they have chicken and waffles every night, but they have thick vegan burgers too, with like onion rings on them, or like barbecue sauce, like all kinds of stuff. Caesar, a Frito pie. The location of this bar is also really sick because it's really close to Basement East.
Yeah.
And so similarly to Duke's, you can go to see a show, you can come here and get a late night drink, and you can get a burger, like a dope vegan burger.
Or a meat burger.
Or a meat burger.
You know, all your friends can hang out. The whole thing about the movement is accessibility and being able to like bring everyone together everyone has an option. If you can combine the two more, then more people will just not spend money on meat products, which is the ultimate goal for me.
Yeah, I get really excited about it because I swear to God, Becca is like turning me into a vegan. And I grew up on a cattle ranch where literally we would just, I'm told to eat meat, you know? In my mind, everyone expects like this giant, beef burger. And I'm like, that's still available.
Right.
That's not off the docket, but like, you still can have a vegan option.
it's really beautiful to see, like, people drive in from out of town just to come here because of the menu. And thanks to you guys, it's been accepted in a way that has changed our entire dynamic of food.
Yep. The tornado happened in, was it
So the
March?
tornado happened March 3rd, and we were closed until January 6th. Thank you.
Word. The tornado like whipped around our building and hit our kitchen. Yeah, it definitely affected all of us emotionally, I think, you know.
Absolutely. But I mean, walking through the community the next day and seeing everybody just helping each other and bringing the community back together. I mean, Becca did an amazing thing. So, you know, we didn't have electricity, so all of our food was going to go bad. So Becca took the initiative to take all of the food we had, made plates, and just started taking it around the community.
Wow. Well, it's cool that you're able to like adjust and like come back.
So we're open at
We're closed on
5.
Monday and
Right,
Tuesday.
right, for now. But yeah, we open at 5 and we stay open until people are
Yeah,
gone.
we kinda like
Yeah, yeah.
Are you cool?
Like, we'll stay open. If you're here drinking, we'll stay open, for sure.
It's really nice that what you guys are doing and the way of doing these things and building the community back together.
Yeah,
I appreciate that
Tight.
greatly.
yes, absolutely.
Thank you for thinking of us. Are you
Yes.
kidding?
Yeah,